Hello everyone, today I will show you how to move or change a shape position in a PDF file using Wondershare PDF element. Open your PDF file with Wondershare PDF element. Now click on this comment option and this bottom option. Here you will find this select option and select. Now click on this shape and move it anywhere, and also select this one and move it, and you can move all of this shape at once. Click right button for your mouse cursor and select all. Now you can move all of them anywhere. Yeah, this is. In this way you can move your shapes on your PDF file. Thank you for watching. Subscribe, like, share and comments.